Yeah, sometimes for the holidays it's nice to not have to do anything. And was your family affected by the storm in the Caribbean earlier this year?
No,
Oh,
everything was good.
that's good. So what are you doing for the Christmas holiday?
I'm going to St. Croix.
Oh, that sounds nice. How long will you be there?
Um,
How long will you be there?
about 2 weeks.
Any possible way I could stow away in your suitcase?
I don't think you'll be able to fit.
You must be traveling lightly. That sounds really nice. I would say warmer weather, but here in Houston we keep so much. It's always so warm anyway.
Yeah, sometimes.
Well, you had a little hair cut under there.
What?
Looks like there was a little hair that got stuck under there. Excuse me. A little post-nasal drip that's going on. So you're staying through New Year's in St. Croix then too, right?
Huh?
Are you staying through New Year's?
Yeah.
And I'm so sorry. My voice is so scratchy today. I can't project like I normally can.
That's all right. I could understand you.
All right, let's get our drill going and get these nails smoothed out. So you're getting a little tune-up then before you go on vacation.
That's right.
I love that for you. That's why you came to see me. Let's get that going. This moves over here. So have you started thinking about what color you're going to do?
Right.
Nice Christmas red. I like it.
I guess that's the most popular color, right?
It's very popular this time of year. Everyone wants that red.
Yeah.
It's either like a candy apple red or like a little bit of a deeper red, kind of like the reds you have on your nails already. Those are the two most popular this time of year. And surprisingly black. A lot of ladies want black.
Yeah.
So we'll see. Let's get a little shape to these nails. And I'll scuff over the top so we can get a nice adherence of the polish. I'm getting it all cleaned up. Nothing's hurting on you, is it, today? Okay. Yeah, that looks really good now. What do you think so far?
About Christmas? Or what?
Well, the work that we're doing so far, and then about Christmas, yes.
Oh, it's good. It really works.
Now, who's all going to be in St. Croix?
Just my son and I.
Okay. That'll be a really nice vacation. Relax on the beach, walk along.
Yeah, they usually have the carnival on Christmas.
I don't want to see you out there partying for Carnival.
I just look around.
Oh, okay. Look around and watch everyone else engage in it.
Yeah.
People watching is fun too. People watching is definitely fun. All right. Let's put our little blade up. I'm going to do a little keratin mask for the feet. I'm going to do a little keratin mask for the feet per our usual. It's going to be nice and warm here. And we'll go from there. Do you have any questions for me?
No.
Much of the usual.
The only question I have is, how often do I have to come back? Well,
I'd like